Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that we are looking at this year on Windows 11 is the fact that they're trying to really fix a lot of things and optimize Windows and Windows 11 to work better. And one of the things that Pavan Duvalluri, the new head of Windows, has mentioned is the fact that they're going to work this year towards having better performance on PCs that have only 8 gigabytes of RAM, for example. Microsoft has these minimum requirements, which are kind of a little laughable when you look at what they recommend for Windows 11. And I think these numbers should be updated to better numbers, because it's untrue that the minimum requirement makes a good experience in Windows. It never has in almost every Windows version. And I think it's time to, look at that again. Now, the absolute minimum that, I would recommend is, of course, 8 gigabytes of RAM. And that's an absolute minimum for somebody that doesn't do too much with his PC. Of course, better is 16. In this case here, I have 32. Definitely runs better Windows when you have a lot more RAM. But Microsoft, as mentioned, and Pavan Duvalluri actually said that they are working on an optimization of the operating system for Windows 11 that follows the amount of RAM that it can detect. And it's saying that, for example, the out-of-the-box experience, when you start installing Windows, will notice, for example, 8 gigabyte machines, and will optimize the Windows install to make sure that PCs with 8 gigabytes run faster and are better than they are right now. So this is interesting. There's no official timeline, so they're not saying, this is going to be in the next month or the next 2 months, but it's going to happen at some point in time. And I think, once again, we're focusing a lot on RAM memory and on the usage of memory, and it probably has a lot to do with the fact that right now RAM prices are just through the roof and completely crazy. So, having PCs with lower RAM that would run Windows 11 fast and run it well are probably something Microsoft is trying to do, because that might help them, get people on board on Windows 11, even with new PCs that would cost less because they would have less RAM. And if you look online right now, there's the RAM prices are so high that a lot of the PCs offered aren't really that high in RAM right now. It's like machines with 64 gigabytes. We don't see them much now because they just cost too much money. So we'll see how this runs out. This goes out. We also have, of course, the low latency profile system that is there, and that improves the performance of Windows 11. So we'll see as time goes by how well they can actually optimize Windows 11 for every type of PC, including those that have lower RAM. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.